Hi, today we are going to take a look at this Ethernet crimping tool. So let's open this box. So this kit comes with the Ethernet cable tester and a bag of connectors and the actual crimping tool. Let's take a look at this tester. It comes with a manual. Okay, it doesn't come with a battery, so let's insert this battery into this. Okay, so we have our on-off button here and the frequency of this light we will come to back later. So let's take a look at this crimping tool. It comes with the wire stripper too. Okay. So let's take a look at this. We have two types of ports. One for this 6-pin cable for use for old telephones, and this one is for the Ethernet cables, just the RJ45 jack. And we have a built-in wire stripper here too, and also we have a crimping portion for the Cat7 Ethernet cables. Okay, so first we need to adjust this if you want to use for Cat6 or 7. If you are using Cat7, then we can leave it here. If you want to use Cat6, then we have to move it to the left, because otherwise it won't crimp this part. So I'll take a Phillips head screw and set this properly. Now we have this setup for the Cat6 cables. Now we have a small piece of Ethernet cable that we are going to crimp today. Okay, these are the ones for the Cat6 cables, Cat5 and Cat6 cables, while this one with the metal shielding are for the Cat7 cables. So today we are going to crimp Cat6 cables. I don't have any Cat7 at the moment. Okay, so yeah, we already have one crimp here. This is from the old tool I have ordered from the Amazon, which was not a good one. So I have returned it and pre-ordered this new one. So first let's crimp on this side of the cable. So we are going to follow the T568B color code for wiring up this connector. So first we need to strip this wire. And we have to separate these wires into individual wires. according to the color code. First we have white and orange, then orange, then white and green, and blue, then the white and blue, then the green one, and white and brown, and the brown one. So now we have all the wires lined up in the right order. We have to keep this connector facing us and connector contacts facing us, and the orange one goes to the leftmost side. The orange one goes to the leftmost side, and we have to insert it in the order into this connector. With this kind of connector, we don't have to necessarily have all at the same distance, because this is a pass-through connector. And we double check the color code again. Okay, so we have all these wires coming out of the other end of this cable, this connector, and we need to feed this into the RJ45 crimping part of this tool. We have all this fed through this crimping tool, and we just press down this lever. As you can see, it crimps and cuts the excess wires. And that crimped neatly. Now let's do this for the other end also. And we have successfully crimped this cable. Now we can just dust it using the duster. We plug it into the RJ45 end on both the transmitter and receiver and switch it on. So you can see the light flashing here, and it goes through each one of these wires, and you can see that we have all 8 of these connected. We don't have a ground because this is not a Cat 7 cable, and we have all these 8 pins connected properly. You can also adjust the speed and watch it going slow. I'll just run through this fast. Okay, now let's test this cable on an actual device. So I have connected it to another PC and I am going to test it from my laptop. So I am going to use Hyper 3 for this. I have installed it both on server and this laptop, and now we can see that we are actually achieving close to gigabit Ethernet speeds. So we have successfully crimped an Ethernet cable. So these are all the things we get with this kit. We have Cat6 Ethernet cable connectors. Uh, I have already used 2 of those. And Cat7 connectors and its covers. And these tiny things which is used to align the cables before we pass it into this connector. So the tester is kind of good quality. I didn't have any problems with it, and it has both the RJ45 and this connector for all telephone lines and door. Also this part is detachable, so that if you are running cable across a room, you can hook this up to the one end of the cable, switch it on, and go to the other end and connect this and check the connectivity there. Thank you for watching this video. Like and share and subscribe for more videos like this. Bye.